Application universal for all 12 volts vehicles. Perfect for trailer, truck, car, bus, pickup, off-road, Wrangler, ATV, UTV, van, semi-trailer, camper, RV, boat trailer, SUV, caravan, cabin cars, lorry, etc. Common use: widely used as side marker lights, clearance marker lights, identification lights, underglow lights, turn signal lights, fender lights, trailer tail lights, running lights, front, rear indicator lights, etc. Feature: made of PC lens and silicone grommet. High-quality 3 LED chips output strong light, maximize visibility and safety. New bullet rubber grommets have good flexibility, easy to install, anti-cracking, aging resistance. IP68 waterproof, dustproof, long lifespan. Easy to install 2 wires connection, black is positive and yellow is negative. 3/4 mounting hole, install the rubber part first, then put the light into the rubber bushing. PSEQT warranty: 5 years warranty guarantee. Strictly testing before shipping. Feel free contact us for any question, we have professional service and excellent quality team. Top reviews from the United States. Great product for the price. Put these in the hood scoop of my truck. Look great, nice and bright. Been there for a month or so now, still bright as ever, no signs of issues even with driving in pouring rain. Car washes. 10 out of 10 would buy again.